Today, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $28 every 10 minutes using Google Translate. So using this method, you're going to be making $28 every 10 minutes. Multiply that by 6, which is a full hour. You're going to be making $168 per hour. If you do this 5 hours a day, it's going to be $840 a day. So, the first website that you're going to be using is obviously Google Translate. All right, when you type Google Translate on Google, you're going to see that Google Translate is going to be the first website that's going to pop up. All you have to do is click on it to open it. All right, I believe you're very familiar with Google Translate already, but I'm going to explain how you're going to use it anyways. If you don't know, when you type something in Google Translate, like hello, it's going to translate to the language in question. So right now, it's translating from English to Spanish hello. It's translated hola. That's pretty easy and straightforward. So the second website that we're going to be using is called CPA Grip. Once you type CPA Grip on Google, you're going to find the first website is cpagrip.com. Just click on that one. It's going to take you to the homepage of the website. The reason why I love this website is because it's really easy to get offers and it's really easy to get people to sign up to it. If you're wondering, anyone around the globe can do this method. You can easily get paid via PayPal and bank transfers wherever you are. This website offers many ways for you to cash your money out, so you don't have to worry about that. So, when you hit the website, all you have to do is click Register on the top right corner. Okay, this is the information that you're going to have to fill out. First name, last name. You don't need to put in a company name. You don't need to put in a website. They're going to ask you for your address. They're going to ask you for your country and city, state, region, zip postal code, phone number, and Skype. I mean, who uses Skype? But if you don't have Skype, just type in anything here. Then, you're going to enter your email address and a password, and you're going to choose a time zone. When they ask where you found out about them, just say YouTube. Okay, so when you log into CPA Grip, you're going to see a dashboard, and you're going to be seeing this public chat right here, where people are going to be posting their wins. Here, you can see how much money people are making. What you have to look at are 3 things. The first thing that you want to check is your payment center. So, you want to go to the payment center. The amount you need to cash out is $50. That's pretty easy to get. Don't worry about that. On the right-hand side, you're going to select a payment method, and the payment methods that they accept are Payoneer, Prepaid MasterCard Payoneer, Global Bank Transfer, ACH Transfer for US banks only, and PayPal. So they accept global bank transfers and Prepaid MasterCard from Payoneer. Right. So go ahead and register for that. The second thing that you need to check is account settings. When you hit Account Settings, you're going to see this thing right here, Tax Documents for USA Publishers or International Publishers. If you live in the USA, you just go to file a W-9 USA, and if you live outside the USA, you are just going to file this W-8 International. Okay, you don't need to be a US citizen, you just have to choose the right one. After you've done those 2 things, what you need to do is go to Offer Tools in the left-hand side here, check My Offers. And now you're going to be redirected to the good part. Once you hit this part, what you are going to do is you want to choose a European high-paying country. Why are we going to use European countries? Because the USA market for the CPA offers are very, very crowded and hard to get customers. If you use offers in other languages, you can get them much, much easier. Therefore, you can make a lot more money. Okay, so that's what we're going to do right now. So, for you to do that, all you have to do is choose the country here instead of United States. I'm going to put something like Spain. It doesn't have to be Spain. It could be France, it could be Switzerland, it could be anything, right? Just, I'm choosing Spain for this one. So, for you to find others, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to click a category. When you select this, it's only going to show you offers that people need to submit their emails. Okay. Now what you want to do is to find an offer that is for mobile, whether it's Apple iOS or Android, because many will be using their phones. Click on Payout, and it's going to sort out by payment from top to bottom. So, right now the highest paying offer is $1.02. I'm going to go with this snacks giveaway offer because it's really performing well in terms of conversion rates. Now, you're going to scroll up to the top of the page, and where you see affiliate, you're going to copy this number and you're going to paste it at the end of this link right here. After you've done that, what you want to do is copy the link. Now, let me clarify two things here really quickly. If you're trying to access this link and the page doesn't open, it's just because you're not in Spain. All you have to do is log in with a VPN, and you're going to have access to the page. Now, the second thing I want to clarify, if you're choosing a mobile offer and you try to open it on a computer, it's not going to work. So you need to open mobile offers on a mobile phone, and you need to open computer offers on a computer. Now, the next thing that I want to clarify is you don't need to be in Spain to promote the offer. Even if you cannot open the offer, it still works. All you have to do is promote it to the right country. Okay, so now save that affiliate link. I'm going to go to my Google Doc here. I'm going to save the affiliate link right here. I'm going to go to Google again, and I'm going to get a cool picture of some snack products. All right, this one looks pretty dope. Okay, let me save this picture. Now for this traffic method, I'm going to go to this website here called Linkvertise. And what this website does is it pays you for each 1,000 clicks that you get from their website, and they also promote your link at the same time. Okay, so they can pay up to $70 for each 1,000 clicks. They also support ACH transfers, wire transfers, PayPal, and eCheck. So it supports the United States folks and also worldwide folks as well. You're all good to go. To register, basically all you need is your email, a password, and a username. Now all I'm going to do here is log in to my account. I'm going to create a link because we need to advertise our link. Okay, so click on Add, and I'm going to get the link for my offer that's going to be advertising the snacks giveaway. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it here. Next, you need to add a short title link. And now we need to go back to Google Translate because most of the offers are going to be in other languages. Okay, since I'm giving away a snacks giveaway and I need a short title, I'm just going to type in "get free snacks" and it came up with this. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go back to Linkvertise and I'm going to paste it in here. All right, as you can see, it's good to go. Just click this green check mark right here. And we're going to go to the link title. Now, this link title, it can be a little longer than the other one. So let's go back to Google Translate. Click here for a chance to win snacks products. I'm just going to copy the translation, go back to Linkvertise, and paste it here. Click Next. Now, picture and video. Remember the snack picture that I got before? I'm just going to upload it here to the picture link content because as you can see on the top right here, this is going to be our ad, and you definitely want something representing what you're offering. Okay, it's going to get a lot more clicks if you do it. All right, so I'm uploading my picture. I'm just going to upload it like this. Okay, you can see the preview here. Just click OK. All right, it looks great. So now, for the link description of my offer, what I'm going to write is click this offer to enter your information now for a chance to win free snack products. And I'm just going to copy the translation as well and paste it here. Let's click the next. Frequently asked questions. You don't need to type anything, just click the plus. And it's going to have some pre-entered FAQs for you. Just click the green check mark. Now all I have to do is click this arrow here again. All right, it's asking me what type of ad I want to run. And I just leave all of them on. Click Next. All right, so you're good to go. So it's asking you if you want to get your link to share it with other people so that they can also perform this and you can earn even more money from the clicks. I'm not going to do this. It's not necessary. They already promoted us. So at this point, you just click Done, and now you're good to go. Let's recap step by step once again. Step 1, go to Google Translate. Step 2, go to CPA Grip, register for an account. Step 3, get your offer correctly. Step 4, visit Linkvertise, register for an account, and advertise your link. And the last step, sit back and relax. If you found this video helpful, just give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.